Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to send email notifications for orders via Zapier. Now first thing you got to do is to head on to zapier.com and click on e-commerce automation and then e-commerce notifications and automate order notifications. Now from here you will see a bunch of integrations with a filter by common apps, so whichever app you use it will be here. So now you will choose one of the automations. You can click load more to see everything. So if you use WooCommerce, then choose this to try it, and it will give you an automation to send email notifications via Zapier. Thanks for watching.